called Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England now. And I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese. Let's continue learning fruits. And I am going to show you 5 words. Fig, 无花果.
无花果，无花果。Fig tastes sweet as honey. 无花果像蜂蜜一样甜。
Lemon, 柠檬.
柠檬，柠檬。The fruit of the lemon is yellow. 柠檬的果实是黄色的。
Pear, 梨.
梨，梨。Is that your pear? 那是你的梨吗？
Hawthorn is 山楂.
山楂。Hawthorn is a very sour little red fruit. 山楂是很酸的一种小红果。
Coconut, 椰子.
椰子。We can drink coconut juice. 我们可以喝椰子汁。
That's all for today. Bye!